Sam Stanton's case serves as a warning for parents. You can do all the right things and still have the wrong thing happen.
News 3 investigative reporter Adam Schrager began our coverage on this story last night at 10 and joins us now with some tips for parents. And Adam, I'm sure a lot of parents out there think that they've got it, that they understand, what to do, but you've got some advice for them.
Well, Heather Stanton thought that she had it all right. She had actually done her research. She had gone to Youngstar, which is the state's child care ratings website. She had checked the license of the in-home provider she would send her son to, and yet it did not prevent him from suffering a spiral fracture of his femur at the facility, according to Columbia County Child Protective Services. Now Heather wants justice for Sam, but also for other kids in Wisconsin. Heather Stanton works in IT when she's not working to be the best mom to Sam as possible.
I don't have the means to be a stay-at-home parent. I wish I could.
Sam suffered a spiral fracture of his femur when he was 7 months old back in July of 2013. Columbia County Protective Services substantiated child abuse against the owner of the Bunny Hop daycare where Sam was going.
I don't want someone else's child to go through any of what he went through.
Heather says she's learned some lessons from her experience that she thinks can help other parents.
I think that parents feel a false sense of security on the licensing website.
She's talking about Youngstar, the state's rating system for licensed child care providers, but it only lists violations for the last 2 years.
The research part is the part I relied the heaviest on.
Heather didn't find out about prior unsubstantiated allegations of inappropriate discipline at the daycare Sam went to until after his injury, when she filed an open records request to get the information.
If the information doesn't exist to you in an easy search, how do you know? You don't know.
Even worse, she says, is the fact that despite Child Protective Services substantiating child abuse at the Bunny Hop, the owner could reapply for a child care license in 5 years. And there's no record anywhere for parents to know what happened to Sam.
You Google and you can still find this person, and there's nothing about what happened. There's no documentation whatsoever that she had a license, lost a license, was involved in anything.
So as she tries to keep up with an active, almost 2-year-old, Heather Stanton wants parents to know the flaws inherent in the child care system.
It's alarmingly broken.
Now, the Department of Children and Families says it keeps Youngstar with 2 years of information because that's how long a child care license lasts. Past information is available through an open records request. This covers licensed facilities like the one that Heather dealt with. However, state law allows anyone to care for 3 kids under the age of 7 without a license. If you want to watch more of Sam's story, you can always log on to our website and see last night's story at channel3000.com.
Boy, so finding childcare, one of the biggest, most difficult things a parent has to do.
Research. Ask more questions.
Adam, thank you.
Thank you.